Guys, good afternoon. I'm Tessa and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to check my garden after the rain, big rain today. So, okay, open it. See that one too, see?
There?
That one in the front, Stephanie, in your front.
Oh,
That raccoon.
one over there.
Yeah. That I will fix the stuff there. And even the eggs. And 3 of them. 4 of them. 5 of them. Ah.
5 chickens?
All the mama eat.
All of the mama?
Yeah, there. You see?
Only one mommy left?
One there. And no water. I will keep open. And another here. See?
Well, next time you're gonna come here and you're gonna lock the door. Poor chicken, he had so many chickens.
Yeah, he eat a lot of the chicken. That's a disaster.
And you have to tell to Daddy.
Yeah, I will call
You have
Daddy.
to tell to Daddy to bring some
See,
more.
even the eggs, he eat it.
Yeah.
And even the there. See, look at the chicken there. Okay, can you put that in your basket natin? See? He killed that chicken there. He opened this one. Wow. He eat the chicken over here. And one here. Oh, poor baby chicken.
Poor chick.
Oh.
He even eat the eye.
No.
The eye is gone.
Oh. That's a disaster. See, 1, 2, 3 of them are dead. There. Raccoon.
Bad raccoon.
That I will go give them water. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that I will get
What do you drink water?
no, I will get screwdriver drill to put that back there.
Put that back in to be more stronger.
Yeah, because he opened that forcefully. He opened that forcefully. Yeah, see? Wow.
It's good that I'm screwing.
Yeah, he's good. Oh, poor baby.
He eat the eye.
I feel bad with the chicken.
Mama, put him. He eat the eye. The eye is
The
gone.
predator catch them. Okay, that I will go get the water for them. And even that one there, no more meat.
Hey, that's not her.
Okay,
Hey, Mom.
there in the back of the plastic there.
Oh, there. Oh, there too. Oh, no.
Okay, see you later. Ayan guys, ito naman yung nasa ating container na nasa harapan ng greenhouse. Ayan. Hindi ko nilagyan ng halaman sa greenhouse kasi sobrang init. Ito yung ating mga curly cabbage. Grabe ang mga dahon niya, oh, lalaki. I can't believe na ganyang kalalaki ang dahon niya. Pero bakit ito? May something. Sana hindi sa loob. Ayan, nagfo-form na siya ng bola. Ito yung ating cherry, ground cherry. Ayan, madami na rin siyang bunga. Hindi pa nga lang ready. Ayan, yung ating curly cabbage. Ito yung ating potatoes. Ayan yung ating okra ni Ate Gina. Hindi pa niya nakukuha. Ito din ay mga cabbages. Ayan guys. Oh, lalaki. Grabe. Oh, tignan niyo yung lalago nila. Lago-lago. Ayan. Yan ang gawa ng nature. Kaya ayaw ko nang lagyan doon kasi matrabaho din. At least yan, nasa labas lang. Uulan at hindi. Meron sila. Kasi nilalagyan ko sila ng tubig. Okay, dyan na lang muna kayo. Bye-bye! Hello guys! Good afternoon! This is my little keeper of my garden, Alonzo. Yes? Show me, what is that? What is that? Carrots? This one too?
Yes, carrot.
Yeah, it's a carrot. This one are garlics. I take all their scapes already there, but there's a lot, not all. I still have left to take it out. So those are good for stir frying. Yes, we can take it all. So the bulb will ready to grow. Yes, something like this. There. We take it.
One there.
Yes.
And there's one here. One here.
This one too. Can you hold this one, sir? Hold it properly. Hold it. Smell good, eh? Smell garlic.
Yeah.
There. Here. Yep. Here, another one.
Daddy, the doctor, Mama.
Di ba, te?
Yeah. I got one for here, but another is gonna be full, then I'm gonna do broccoli.
No. You have a big hand. Yep. So, in 1 month, or maybe a few weeks, the bulbs are ready to dig in. Yes, I took them out and give some to our friends. Yeah.
I'm gonna go look in the chicken garden.
If daddy catch it. So I got this one. So here's my you can leave that there in the side and go with daddy. No, because daddy have the canolo. No. Here's my onions with my kamatis, tomatoes. Yes. And here's my ano ba yan? Potato plants. Then all my beans are there in the side. My one plant of eggplant there and with the kale. Ay,
Here you go.
ayan po. One eggplant there too. And all beans there. All our potatoes here. Over there. Yan, nilagay niya na lang sa baba, oh.
guess you have more than one. So I left the door open. So just
Did,
because he was hungry, I guess.
yeah, did you check my job there? It's okay.
I take out the wood and I close the door from the other side. So it should be okay.
Okay.
I don't even like that color.
Shh.
You don't like it too, eh?
This one is my cabbage. Cabbages. There. And there. They are forming a bulb already. There, the curly cabbage. Yes. They are curling now, forming a ball. And here is my voila. I think I need to cut to take it now or tomorrow morning. Yes. There. See. They're so beautiful. Beautiful broccolis. Look at that, mini rosettes. Here. So, I need this one. They are all leaves. I don't know why, but it's supposed to be a what they call that, cauliflower. But I never been planting a cauliflower just this year, so let's see kung magiging okay ba siya. I don't know if it is. Are you making a flower now? Not even. Maybe someday. Yes, ang lalaki nila, grabe. Giant leaves. There. And that's my another what do you call that? Talong, eggplant. That's my kalabasa. That's only one kalabasa. Here's my sunflower. Here is my cucumber. They're climbing now. Ayan ang aking beans there. May tatlo ako dyang beans. Ito din, cucumber. Yes, darling. This is my sunflower. Yes. Where are you going? Be careful. Maybe the raccoon wants to get out now. Yes. Ayan guys. Ayan ang ating carrots. There, yung pechay ko doon. I don't know. Inaano siya. Ayan ang ating garlic. Ang ating onion. Konti lang ang ating ano ngayon. Tingnan nyo yung kalilipat ko lang na pechay. Hindi sila healthy. Daming bibit. Yan ang ating potatoes from there, here, and here. Yan, lahat yan potatoes. So yan guys, ang ating garden for today. No, garden video for today. Ayan. Ayan, tinanggalan ko na siya ng mga flowers. May mga natitira pa rin eh. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi ko naman naluluto lahat to. So, yung iba, binibigay ko sa mga friends ko. Ayan, masarap siya stir fry guys. Parang garlic din. Garlic. Ang bango-bango niya, grabe. Kung gaano kabango yung garlic na niluluto natin, super bango din nito. Alright. Sana guys, Kahit may maliit kayong lupain or may mga paso-paso lang kayo dyan, magtanim-tanim po. Dali lang naman. Learn from your experience lang naman yan. Kahit matuto kayo, mag YouTube kayo, kasi ako din. Natuto lang din ako sa YouTube. Although nagtatanim kami noon kasama yung magulang namin, pero hindi naman